Alright, so welcome back to this class again. So this is the concluded part of factorization, and what we're looking in this class is difference of two squares. What do we mean by difference of two squares? Let's say for instance, we've done expansion, and we've done most of factorization. Just remain this aspect of difference of two squares. So look at this. If you ask to expand, x plus 2 and then x minus, okay, let me use x plus 1 and then x minus 1. So we want to expand it. So normal expansion, let's expand and see what we're going to have. So that means x, we use the terms we have here to open this term here. So we're going to have x minus 1, then plus 1 into what? X minus what? Y. So let's open it. This will give us what? X squared, and then this is what? Minus what? Xy plus xy. Y times x same times xy. Now it's going to go yx, same thing. So y times minus y will give us a minus y squared. Now let's complete it. Minus xy plus xy gives 0. So that means we're going to have x squared minus what? Y squared. So one thing you notice here is that the difference between what we have the terms in this bracket and this one is dot plus and minus. We have x here, we have x here, we have y, we have y, but we have minus and plus. So when you have it this way, our final answer here is what we call difference of two squares. What do we mean by that? Look at difference of two squares. This one is first square, this one is what? Second square. Difference is what? Minus. So first square, and this is what? Second what? Second square. So what we have between the two of them is what? Difference. That's what refers to as what? Difference of two. So it means that when you ask to factor, this is expansion, and the opposite of expansion is what? Factorization. So if I ask you to factorize this one, what are you going to get? You are going to get this. That's what it means. So which means difference of two squared is just that when you have a squared, you have to factorize a squared minus what? B squared. Your answer was a plus b, and then what? A minus b. That's what it means. So if you expand this one, this one you're going to get. If you factorize this one, this one you're going to get. So rather than stressing yourself to see how are you going to factorize this, just open it. A plus b, a minus b. Now we now have different ways of asking questions under this. That's what we want to look at. Understanding the concept, this is the concept. It's just like a formula we want to follow. It's like a formula that we want to follow to solve any related problem like this. Right. So how do we go about that? So that's what we want to look at now. So let's look at that. Alright, let's now look at how to solve these questions. If you look at it, you have to factorize this. So the first thing that will come to your mind, if you have not gone through the introductory aspect I just showed you now, you will say that this one is not factorized. That's what will come to your mind. That okay, 4 squared minus y squared. You will tell me that there's nothing that's common to 4 and common to what? Y. That's what will come to your mind. But when looking at it, you notice that this is difference of two squares. This is first square, this is second square. So that means this is going to give us 4 plus y, and then what? 4 minus y. So you can try to bring this one forward or this one to backward. It's still the same thing. That's the answer. We have factorized it. And that is very straightforward. That is the answer. Then we go to number 2. So we have 81 a squared minus 25 b squared. So the same thing with this one. If we look at it now, there's nothing that is common. But the only one is this one is square, this one is square. Well, can't we take this one to square? We can. We can as well take this one to square. So which means this, we can have this one to be 9 squared a squared minus what? 5 squared b squared. You can see everything is that this is the first square, this is the second square. So if you want to find the final answer with them what? 9a plus 5b, then 9a minus what? 5b. Straightforward. Very simple. Very simple. Then the third one we have here, we have 1 minus 64 a raised to power 6. So what should come to your mind is 1. This one is not square. You can do whatever you like on 1. 1 is 1. And if you raise 1 to power of 1000, you still 1. It means 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 in 1000 places. You still get what? 1. So this one we can separate this. This will be what? 1 squared minus 64, that is a squared. We can take this one to square by saying a, we have done indices. A raised by 3, everything was squared. If you open this, 3 times 2 will give us 6. So this is squared, this is squared, this is squared. So if you want to write this one, this will be 1 plus 8a raised by 3, then 1 minus what? 8a raised by what? 3. Answer. I hope this is very clear. So I slightly brought out all this so that any question that can come out, you will be able to, okay, we have done something similar to that. Then we look at number 4. We have 1 over 16 minus 4 over what? 25a squared. So this is also very simple. So we can take this to us, everything here to square. So this is 1 squared over what? 4 squared. Minus 2 squared over what? 5a, everything what? Squared. Everything is now squared. So which means we can have 1 all over 4 plus 2 all over 5a, right? Then 1 all over 4 minus what? 2 all over 5a. Just for you to just think. Alright? So that is that on that. Good. So let's look at the next one. This question number 5. Question number 5 here. Let me do it here. Question number 5. We have x minus 2 squared minus 9y squared. So if guys not taking that as well, to this one is not possible. It is possible. This is also difference of 2 squared. This is the first square, this is the second square, because we can take 9 to square. So that will be x minus 2 squared minus what? 3y, everything was squared. So our answer will then be what? X minus 2, are you with me? Minus 3y. Then x minus 2 plus 3y. That is the answer. You can't do more than that. So we can rewrite this to what? X minus 3y minus 2. Then you can have x plus 3y minus 2. Still the same thing. All this is very clear. Alright. So the last example that I'm going to look at here is this number 6 here. So let's do it here. Wow. This is also awesome. So we can take this one to square. This will be what? 6 squared x squared minus, let's now take this one to improper fraction. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1, that is 9 over 4. So we can take that is 6x, everything squared, minus 3 over 2, everything squared. So 3 squared is 9, 2 squared is what? 4. So from here we have difference of 2 squared. So which means that any question you are given, just look at it very okay. Can I take this one to difference of 2 squared? If you can take it, just simplify your work. Follow the steps one by one and apply this. So here we need to have 6x plus 3 all over 2. Then 6x minus what? 3 all over 2. Check it out. That is all. So I hope this is very clear. So that is that on difference of 2 squared. And this is where we're going to stop under factorization. We've looked at everything that we learn and under factorization of algebraic expression. It's very important for you to go through the videos and watch them. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that anytime I release video like this, you'll be able to get access to it and benefit from it. And give us a thumb up if you find this video useful and helpful. So also share this video with your loved ones. Share the video with your loved one, and if you have any question you can put in the comment section. I will surely answer you. So meet in our next video. Bye for now.